Hey guys and girls, and welcome to a new sneaker video on my channel. Today I'm talking about a giveaway because you can win one of my Jordans or my Nike Dunks. Okay, I can tell you not these ones, but you will maybe decide which one, or I will tell you. So I will not tell you yet, or I maybe even let you decide it. And yeah, maybe it's one of these, I'm not sure yet. Or maybe it's one of these, they're nearly brand new, but some are also used. So how you can enter, you are wondering, and I will tell you. Because all you have to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram. I will blend in here my Instagram name, and then you need to follow and like my recent posts. Or let's say the last 3 posts you need to like. After that, yeah, all you have to do is write the comment on this video, spam the comment so the video will get recommended. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, that was all it. And why I'm doing this, you may be wondering, because I want to thank you for all the support through all the years. I want to thank you and want to give back to the community. I hope you really like it. If yes, make sure to like and subscribe. Share this as well to your friends. Maybe they can also get a chance to win, and then you have more friends which have a chance, and maybe one of you is winning a Nike Air Jordan 1 or a Nike Dunk. Okay, I'm very low in battery already, because I haven't charged my GoPro just for like 10 minutes. It was really fast charging. And yeah, that was it. Participate in the giveaway. You have nothing to lose, but a lot to win. I wish you a very nice day. Thank you for all the support. Keep supporting, because I will give back to the community. Have a nice day. #Convivialarmy, and bye bye guys and girls. See you in the next video. I will try to upload daily or every 2 days, so stay updated. Let's go. By the way, I will not give away this one, as I said, and also not this one. It's really will be a Nike Dunk or an Air Jordan 1.